It looks something like this.
Hey guys, we have a special guest today. It's my cousin Jen. Shaw Avenue is her blog, and we have a screaming child in the background, no big deal, MBD. But you guys are very familiar with her. I talk about her all the time. She actually is a Hello Gorgeous employee, member, girl, all of the above.
Yes.
She is my assistant, but you know, she also has a blog too. But we're gonna do something fun today. It's more of a challenge, I guess, because Jen has never put on false lashes ever, have you?
No.
Never in your life?
No. The only time I've ever had them on is your wedding.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, so here's the problem. I have accents for her. I'm gonna teach her how I do them, but these are different than mine. So we're gonna hope that, actually they're really pretty. They're the wispies. I'm jealous, those are pretty. But anyways, I'm gonna teach her how to do it.
Because I have no idea.
These are mine, and they're already very loved because I wear them every single day. These are the Ardell's magnetic, let me show it real quick, accents. I wear the 001s. I bought the 003s to try them out, so you're gonna be like my guinea pig.
Yay.
I have multiple pairs of these. I wear them all the time. And this is actually two. So I feel like a lot of people look at these and they're like, oh, there's two pairs. This is one pair because one's for upper, one's lower because it's magnets. They go on your lashes. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So this is how I do it. I have a mascara on and I have it dry, and then I curl my lashes one more time just to make sure that they look the way that I want them to look, because I need to curl in order for those to like really get in there.
Do I have enough mascara on?
Oh yeah, totally.
Okay.
Totally. And then, like you can see, I have mascara all along there. I wear them so much.
Okay.
They're very loved. Okay, you can do this. You can do this. You can do it.
I have an event coming up, so I have to learn how to do this.
You can do it. Okay. So obviously, the way that it works is the longer, when you look at the lash band, the longer end goes on the outside.
Okay.
So that's how you figure out, once you take them off the thing, what to do.
Okay.
And you have to kind of attach them to make sure you've got the top and bottom once they're off the thing, the container or whatever you want to call that thing, tray?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how I do it. I'm gonna show you how I do it first, and then you can kind of mimic what I'm doing. But all I'm doing is I hold them on the outside edge, and I lay them down, and I make sure I have them where I want them. So you want to make sure that your outside corner lines up a little bit inside of where the outside corner of your eye is, because if you don't, then it's going to kind of move out, and you don't want your magnet to stick out from your lashes because it's gonna look funky.
Okay.
And people are gonna look at you and be like, what's going on with your eye? Something's up with girlfriend's eye. Okay, so just I lightly lay them on there, and you wanna try your best to get the magnets as close to your lash line as possible. And then I take them and I hold them from the inside. And I have nails, so if I can do this with my big old long nails, anybody can do this because nails get in your way. And I go underneath, and I first find the inside corner, see right there? And then I line up the middle, and then I line that in. And do you see how it snaps down like that? And then just push it up. And I take my fingernail and I push the bottom magnet closer to my lash line.
Okay.
And that's it. They're on. Dang. It's so easy. And like, it took me a while to get used to the fact that like I'm a perfectionist when it comes to makeup, so I can see where that is. So sometimes I'll take it off and do it again and all that, but you don't really need to. See how I mean, like it's a little bit thinner? So if you wanna correct that, all I do is take my Lash Paradise. This is from L'Oreal, it's drugstore. It's like a marker, and I just go right underneath the lash line, right there. This is called Tightlining, and that's it. And it makes it look more flush.
Yeah, it does.
So that's it, it's done. But like, look how much more full those lashes are than
Watch
this.
your finger.
I'll wipe it off. I do it all the time. But look how much more full. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah,
it looks
great.
like, yeah, it's totally different. You can do it.
Okay.
All right, let's try it. I think we have a baby at the door. Is she at the door, Mom?
I see her walking.
Yeah, she's here. Okay.
Okay, I need your mirror.
So there's that. Do you need to curl your lashes, or are you
Do you
good?
think I probably need to?
I would. Here,
Okay.
let me wipe these off though, so you don't have any of my mascara
I
on
didn't
there.
bring mine.
These are the best eyelash curlers in the history of our known world.
Okay, is a certain one the top, since this one's bigger?
So snap them together and see how they fall.
Okay.
So up, yours have a little bit of glue on them still
Oh, from the thing.
from the package. Okay, look, I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Let me go like this. Do you see how that's kind of funky right there? Just work it with your fingers to get it to where you want it to be. Also, I take mine all the time and hold up the two ends, and I do like this little wavy thing because you want them to curve to your eye. If you put them on, it's gonna be funky. But like, it's okay if it's not a perfect arch, but like you want them, your eye's not a perfect arch, but your eye's also not straight across.
Okay.
So you wanna do it like that. Where'd the bottom go? Right here. Don't mind McKinley, she's got an agenda of her own. Okay, so see how it picked it up? So that's how you know which one's the top, which one's the bottom.
Okay.
So just take your top one, hold it by the outside. I'm really rough with these things because they're really durable. Like, it doesn't really matter. While she's doing this, I'm gonna keep bending this one. Her bottom lashes are much harder, like the band. The 001s are they're not as hard. So this one might be a little bit more irritating to your eye. Oh, you forgot to curl your lashes. Curl your lashes real quick.
Okay. My eyelashes are not like hers.
It's because I use Grand Lash every single day of my life. Not every day, I use it every other day. Also, if you take your lash band in between your fingers and kind of just let the warmth of your fingers press it, it just warms it up and it gives you more of an arch. Okay, so take the outside corner and just line it up a little bit inside of the 001s are gonna be better for her too because these are very long and she's not gonna be able to get used to these as easy. I wish I had a clean pair of 001s. Let me see. Okay. Open. Okay, there you go. So then take these in the center.
Okay.
Now hers came with these guys, which is pretty cool. I've never used them before. I actually think doing it by hand would be easier. Look at that.
My eyes are watering.
Because you're not used to it. Okay, so hers didn't go attach all the way. So what I would do, I'll let you do it, is you take them apart and you take the top one and get it closer to the lash line. Here, you want me to hold it up for you?
Yes. My eyes are watering.
The more you play with them, the better you'll get.
No, I'm too far away. Okay, hold on.
Do you need a light?
My eyes are watering, so I can't see. Okay. Oh, no, I've lost it. Okay. Let's just try these again. Turn
Okay.
the light off. I do better with the light.
Here, okay. So if you want to hold this, you can just hold it like this.
Okay.
That's where the finger things are there. Okay, so start with the top.
Hold the outside.
Hold the outside. Lay it on, yep. And get that inside corner down closer to your lash line too. It's not gonna look perfect, but it's gonna be, see why I kind of curl it so it fits around your lashes better?
Yeah. I feel like they need to go like this a little bit.
Just keep turning them until they fit your eye because everybody's eye shape is different.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And then take these, and I like
middle.
I like it from the middle, but whatever works better for you. I also have talons. You know the chickens have large talons. Anyone know that reference? What movie is that from? Come on, leave it in the
I
comments.
still didn't get it on that side. See, practice. I have to keep practicing.
But that's pretty good.
Yeah, they
for your
look-
first time. And like honestly, like look at yourself far away. Like you can't tell that it's not all the way on your lashes, but like when you get up on you, obviously you can't. So you got to get in there and you got to just kind of keep moving around with your fingers and get it closer to your lash line.
Okay, is there a correct way to pull them off? Or do
No,
you
I just pull
pull
it.
them off?
I do. I mean, maybe people will have a better way, but it doesn't hurt.
No.
It doesn't take your mascara
Not at all.
off. And the more you play with them, and honestly, the 001s are going to be so much easier for you because they're a little shorter.
Okay.
Because, oh man, where'd my other lash go? I'm sitting here talking about lashes and I lost my other one. Shoot. What did I do?
You are moving. You may be sitting on it. No, I don't see it.
This is part of the bloopers reel, no big deal. Do you see it anywhere?
No. Mm-mm.
What did I do with it? I'm gonna be shopping later, and someone's gonna stop me and be like, "You have an eyelash attached to your butt?" Oh my gosh, where did it go?
Your shirt.
Nope, not down my shirt. Okay, we paused for a second and
We're back.
I had to get hands on and help a little bit. This is my bread and butter though, is makeup.
Yes.
I love doing other people's makeup and I just don't get a chance to do it anymore. Okay, so we're gonna do number 2 together.
Okay.
Okay, what do you think? Do you like them?
Oh, I like them. I can see them though. It's kind of throwing me off, but that I'm just gonna have to get used to it.
You honestly,
And practice,
I would say within probably 20 to 30 minutes you get used to it.
Yeah.
It's so fast. I still feel that the 003s are better. The 001s are better. The 003s, they're really long. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
But for everyday wear, I feel like they're kind of, well, I was gonna say unbelievable, but so many people have lash extensions now that it doesn't really matter.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I think Jen's gonna stop on the way home and get her a pair of
Yep.
001s. I have them all over because I love them so much. Okay, so curl the lashes. You gotta curl your lashes, Jen.
I already did mine.
Oh, you did?
I did both of them. Yep.
You're one step ahead. Okay, so curl my lashes. Right on the lash line.
I almost had it.
Isn't that, but like once you get the hang of it, it's so easy.
Yeah.
You just have to learn the shape of your eye really well. And you also learn how to get close to your lash line. It'd be helpful if we had a table in front of us to hold the mirror up. This one I messed up on the inside. There you go. And again, the tight lining just really makes the lashes look like they are seamless with yours. I feel like tight lining makes you look like you're wearing lash extensions.
Yeah.
So we're gonna teach you to do that next in just a second.
Oh my gosh.
It's no big deal, honestly. I mean, aren't they pretty? And if you have stupid sensitive eyes like I do that can't wear lash extensions because you're allergic to the glue, this is the perfect thing.
Yeah.
All right, what attempt are you on? 3?
I'm not going.
It's okay.
Only they know.
It's the first time. It's okay. For never ever wearing lashes in her life, fake lashes, this is not bad.
Man, I'm having trouble with the end here.
Are you not lining it up?
My front ones are very good.
Your front end?
Yeah.
So then maybe move it a little bit more inside. That's what I was talking about. If you get that outside magnet too close to the edge, it doesn't attach, because I think that your lashes are naturally thinner at the outside corner of your eye, and there's not anything to really hang on to it with. Your husband's not gonna recognize you.
It's gonna be like, who is that?
I don't know if I already said this or not on one of my videos, but the other day I had my makeup fully done, but I didn't have my magnetic lashes on. And I said to Matt, I was like, I just like don't even recognize myself without my lashes. I don't look the same. And he's like, yeah. What do you think?
I did it. I did it.
Do you love them?
Yes.
Okay. Now look, this is what you're gonna do.
Yeah, I have to get used to seeing them.
But it will happen really fast. Okay, this is so simple.
Okay.
So all I do is I take one hand,
Pull it up.
pull it up. Use your knees to hold this, because I don't have to pull it up
What's
anymore.
in my underwear, are they?
No, it's up here.
Okay.
So take like your pinky and just lightly pull up, and then just go right along that lash line.
Okay.
And just go, like, do a very thin line. And if you get a little liner in your eye, it's no big deal. It like burns for a second, but then it's gone. Your eye naturally cleanses itself. So this is tight lining. So tight lining is the upper lash line inside corner. Water lining is the lower lash line inside line. So those are that's the two differences.
I'm getting my.
You're a little bit,
My outside.
your outside corner is a little bit, yeah. But again, nobody would see that unless they're like right up in your face.
Yeah. Mm-mm.
From a distance, you cannot tell. I don't know, lashes are like a tan to me. You feel better when you have a tan, and you feel better when you have lashes. What do you think?
I love them. What do you guys think?
So the tight lining, it's not that hard, right?
No, not at all.
But it just really cements the lashes to your lashes and makes it look like, okay, cool.
Yep.
Yeah, so your outside corners need attached a little bit better.
Yeah, they're.
It's just gonna
they're
take some
allowed to.
practice.
Yep.
But is it anywhere near as hard as you thought it was
I'll
gonna
go home
be?
and do some homework and practice my lashes.
Is it anywhere near as hard as you thought it would be?
Not at all. No.
Because your first attempt by yourself
There's a picture on my Instagram. It's not pretty.
At Shaw Avenue.
It's not pretty.
But when you already know how to do fake lashes like I do, I mean, like, honestly,
Yeah.
at home, I like glue on lashes a few times a week.
Yeah.
I have not worn glued on lashes since I found these.
Yeah.
Here's the thing, guys. The full lash band, you're not gonna get this look. Can you see? You can tell why, right? Because
Yes.
it would be detached here and be detached there, but it would be attached in the center, and it
Yeah.
would look. It looks funky. It does not look good.
Yeah.
But the accents, they look so good. You feel like a new woman, right?
I do.
Yeah.
Where's my husband?
All right, guys. Let us know what you think. I'm not sure where we're gonna put this. We might put this on my YouTube channel or on Instagram, or I don't know.
You never know.
Yeah, it's just fun. Thanks for watching, and follow her at Shaw Avenue.
Shaw Avenue.
Me at Angela Lanter. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay. What's in the butt pocket?
Oh, you were sending me.